What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can cancel a buy or sell order on Trading 212. So let's get started. Now first off, to see your active orders, you would need to go to your portfolio section right here. So from your portfolio section, just scroll down a bit. And here you can see your pending orders. So yesterday I placed a sell order on this Nike stock right here, and if I want to cancel this market order, I will just tap on the sell order right here, and then the cancel option will appear. So from here, just go ahead and click cancel right here, and your order will be cancelled. Now I don't want to cancel this because I want to sell this Nike stock, but in your case again you could just tap on the order and just click cancel right here. Now it doesn't matter if it's a buy or sell order, the same procedure works for both ways. So that's guys how you can cancel a market order for a stock purchase on Trading 212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.